Hey friend, whether you're coming straight from part one of the Very Good series or jumping right in here, welcome. This is the second class in our three-part adventure through retro design in Affinity Designer on the iPad. And it's all about getting playful and precise with your tools. Let's dive deeper into the pen and knife tool to create intricate fruit sticker designs. In part one, we created some simple jam jar labels using basic shapes and the pencil tool. And now we're stepping up your skills with the pen tool for those curves and clean corners, and the knife tool because sometimes you gotta slice your fruit and your vectors. Here's what to expect in the class. The pen tool power moves, learn to create precise retro style illustrations with confidence. Knife tool fun, chop it, split it, and remix your shapes into layered sticker magic. Contour magic, add dimension and die cut flair like the sticker pro you're becoming. Organizational bliss, yep, we're tackling those layers again, and groups too. Future you will thank you. And we'll be adding them into assets, which you'll really be thankful about. Finally, you'll design your very own sheet of vintage fruit stickers that you can send off to my favorite sticker printer, stickerapp.com. I'm Katie from Perch Handmade, and I'm here to walk you through everything step by step with a bit of fun and a lot of support. So even if you've never touched the pen tool before, you'll feel good about it by the time we're done. Let's get those vectors smooth, those fruit juicy, and your sticker sheet looking like it belongs on the front of a fancy notebook. If you're enjoying the series, be sure to follow me here and so you don't miss the final class in the series, Textured Typography, Enhancing Retro Designs with Text and Effects in Affinity Designer. That's where we wrap it all up deliciously through retro lettering to pair with your stickers. You can also find me over at YouTube at Perch Handmade, where I share free quick tips for Affinity Designer and Procreate. And if you're the kind of person who likes the behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, digital freebies, or random stories from the studio, you can join my email list over at perchhandmade.com. I'm Katie from Perch Handmade. Keep making stuff, keep exploring those tools, and I'll see you in the next creative adventure. Bye for now.